Hey guys, today we are going to learn about the Discovery Configuration Console. If you see the in Discovery Configuration Console, it is used to configure what the discovery data the system allow in the CMDB. So all the data gathered by Discovery might not be pertinent to your organization. So the discovery configuration console allows you to choose which data is discovered and populated in that CMDB. So let's go to the configuration console under the discovery definition. Here are the discovery configuration console. If you want to enable the devices like Unix based devices, Windows based devices like storage devices, network devices. So whatever we are going to discover using the devices, we can able to restrict it. So for example, if I disable this one, all the Linux based devices we cannot able to discover. So let's go to we already created a Linux server discovery. So let's do the discover now option to discover it. So here we already created this Linux server discovery. Let's do the discover now. So yeah, it's completed. It's taking 2 to 3 seconds to complete because we have restricted the console. So directly it will showing the error. The following protocols have been disabled via configuration console and will not be scanned by the Shazam. So like this you can able to get error. So uh, you can able to restrict using the configuration console whatever the devices related to Windows related to network. So this is very user friendly enablement and disablement for the users, the CMDB management team. That's all today's video. Thank you.